Hello guys, this is the video that I made 5 days ago on natural gas futures and ticker symbol BOIL. And as you can see, one of my main assumptions was that we were forming this channel and potentially we might retest several ranges of resistance and support, and then we have to break to the downside. Another potential possibility was right here, that we might hit the range of about $36 mark from the point where we were at the point at basically 5 days ago. We were at $28.44. And when we hit it, we might have next quite harsh leg to the downside. And here is the price action itself. As you can see, we were exactly on the path of this price action, but then we broke the upper range of this channel to the upside, the range of resistance. Then we hit, as you can see, we hit exactly to the tick 1.618 extension level, and for now we are at the crucial point of this price action. And if you want to know more about this technical analysis, guys, I think I'm the only YouTuber who publish not only the wins but also losses, and you can watch the list of my videos related to ticker symbol BOIL. Back in the days, I made a lot of predictions of its price action, and we won a lot of these trades, and we lost, I guess, 2 or 3 of them. And if you want to be a part of this community, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to join my Patreon account with the Discord access, the most popular one. And for the first 100 subscribers, I will make a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any ticker symbol that you want. So I think it is quite fair deal, and if you want, feel free to join it.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
Let's start with the price action itself. I have to say that this movement to the upside is the result of quite cold weather in Europe. And I will show you in just a couple of minutes that we have even harsher projections for the upcoming weeks. And guys, right here, we hit the range. As you can see, this red line is nothing else but the first range of support on the bigger scale. This is the 0.236 fib level, and it is the fib level if I pull the fib retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low. And I have to say that if this asset breaks it to the upside, we have to revise the entire structure, and I will show you what I'm talking about in just several minutes. Let's continue with the fundamental news. Let's take a look on this article that was published on oilprice.com on January the 5th, basically yesterday, and it's titled "Europe's natural gas and power prices jump as cold snap begins." And here you can see that, let me quote it for you. Power prices in Finland jumped to record high levels as a deep freeze in Europe began in the Arctic parts of the Nordic countries and is set to move south to northwest Europe in the weekend and next week, creating additional energy demand and leading to higher electricity and natural gas prices. And here, let me quote to this. Following a warm autumn and a milder start of the winter, the expected prolonged cold snap will grip most of northwestern Europe to last for most of January and to test Europe's natural gas supply and energy infrastructure. This means from the fundamental standpoint, potentially, we might have an additional several days, from days to weeks, of quite high demand on natural gas in Europe, at least in Europe. And if it continues, definitely we will have more bullish pressure on the natural gas prices. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you natural gas spot prices. As you can see, we were exactly at the same structure that I drew on my previous video. We broke it to the upside, then we went back, we touched the median line of this channel, and then we broke it again with the conviction of volume. As you can see, this volume of this breakout is much higher if you compare it with this volume during this movement inside the channel. Then let me make this channel a little bit longer. We retested from the top and we went higher with the breakout above the previous swing high. And I have to say that natural gas spot prices is the most bullish asset right now, because we have higher demand basically at this very moment. And let me show you natural gas futures. We were in this channel. This was the horizontal channel, which is quite rare for this type of price actions. Then, as you can see, we broke it, returned back, almost hit again median line, and then we have this movement to the upside, because the forecast for the Northern Europe and basically for the entire Europe is not so mild, and that's why the demand might be much higher for the longer period of time. And guys, let me show you the ticker symbol BOIL and what should we expect next. Let's zoom out and let me show you its latest price action in details. From this swing high that was set at the very beginning of October, we had potentially our first wave. Second, then this entire structure is the third one, and we are forming the fourth wave. And if it is the case, let me put this top right here, we have to have one more leg to the downside that will complete the bottom of the fifth wave. And we don't know the potential bottom of the fifth wave yet, because we don't have any confirmation of its price action. Let me show you that in general, if we take a look right here, we reached two ranges of resistance. First of all, it is a 1.618 extension level, and it is the last border of the price for the C leg in ABC correction, because right after the breakout above 1.618, most likely it will be the motive wave to the upside, and we have, in this case, we have to revise the entire structure. Next one is, as already mentioned, is 0.236 fib level right here. And if it is the case, we have quite a decent structure of ABC correction from its swing low at $23.98 to this range of 36.07. And then we have to see the retracement. Not the retracement, but in this case it will be a motive wave to the downside that will form the fifth wave. So what type of confirmation we have to see? Well, first of all, we have to see the movement to the downside that should break at least two of its previous swing lows. Let me delete these tools, I don't need them anymore. We have to break the range of about $32, and the next one is the range of about $29.29. If it breaks it, and if the volume confirms it, definitely it will be the beginning of a new downtrend that will form the bottom of the fifth wave. And when we form all five waves, it will be a very good opportunity to see a huge bounce to the upside. And guys, this bounce might be within upcoming several weeks to a couple of months. And I will do another update when I will have more clarity on the price action. But for now, this is my main count, and wait for this confirmation. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.